Welcome to the Okanagan Science Centre Online, a resource for doing science at home that's safe and with things you can find in your home. Now let us see how we can make a musical instrument out of a balloon. Of course, the simplest thing to do with a balloon is to blow it up. Then we can let the air out. But that's too simple. We could take a nut, drop it in, blow it up again. Once it's blown up, tie it. Then you can hear the nut inside. See what happens if you give it a spin. But let's try something a wee bit different than that. We'll just toss that aside. We'll take our balloon and cut it. So we have two pieces. To one piece, put it in your pocket, because later on you can just blow through it and stretch it like this. This other piece here, we're going to make into a percussion instrument, like a drum. We could use a paper cup, or we could use this here. It'll be easier to find a paper cup, sorry, a plastic cup. Make sure it's good and strong on the top. We take our balloon, simply stretch it across the top. Take us a few tries. Try to get it as tight as possible, but before you play it, take some tape. Tape it around the edge. Now, to play it, you can hit it with something. Or what I like to do is like this. There you have a good example of a percussion instrument, a membrane that vibrates. If you don't have balloons, you could raid the kitchen. See if you can find there any pots, any pans, any lids, and try hitting them, banging them. Percussion instruments are some of the easiest to find. Good luck with that.